My name is Mitchell Rife, and I work at Rife's Autobody. I'm learning some better ways to make my job easier, to not make the mistakes that I've seen others making and do better than that myself. It's shown me where my estimates that I've been reading in the past can be better, where I have missed little things that I'm just now starting to learn that I was missing.
And the hands-on approach, how does that benefit an estimator?
It teaches you a lot about how that tech's thinking and what he thinks is going to happen in the future.
Definitely suspension has been really good. I didn't know a whole lot about it going in, so it's definitely been good to get an idea of how that stuff works and the different terminology, so I can have a better understanding when I'm talking to customers and whatnot.
AC, cooling?
That's been good. I didn't really know how to do either one, so it's been nice to learn, see why the techs need to do what they do, and how I can rate that, kind of make it easier in the long run of my estimates, so I don't have any pushback with insurance companies, stuff like that.
What would you like to say to Collision Right and Rife's Autobody for giving this opportunity this week?
It's been really nice. Finally get some really good learning, hands-on experience. It's been really good, so thank you.